Today we are discussing The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, a book that provides insights from the habits and characteristics of America's wealthy population. In this video we'll be summarizing the key lessons from the book and showing you how you can apply them in your own life. Lesson 1. Live below your means. The first and perhaps most important lessons from The Millionaire Next Door is the importance of living below your means. The book shows that most millionaires are not flashy spenders, but instead are disciplined savers who live well below their means. To do this, you need to be mindful of your expenses and make sure you're not spending more than you can afford. Lesson 2. Save and invest consistently. The second lesson from this book is the importance of saving and investing consistently. The book shows that millionaires are not one-hit wonders, but instead are people who have saved and invested consistently over a long period of time. By doing this, you'll be building a foundation for your financial future and you'll be able to take advantage of investment opportunities when they arise. Lesson 3. Avoid debt. The third lesson from the book is the importance of avoiding debt. The book shows that most millionaires have minimal debt and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. This allows them to keep more of their income from saving and investing. Lesson 4. Be frugal. The fourth lesson from the book is the importance of being frugal. The book shows that most millionaires are frugal and careful in their spending habits and are not afraid to make sacrifices to save money. This allows them to save more and invest more, which in turn helps them to build wealth over time. Lesson 5. Focus on income-producing assets. The book shows that most millionaires have built their wealth by investing in income-producing assets such as rental properties, stocks and bonds. By doing this, they have been able to generate passive income, which has allowed them to grow their wealth over time. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to improve your financial situation, these lessons are a great place to start. So be sure to put them into practice and you'll be on your way to financial success and prosperity in no time.